everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Today I'm going to do a review of a chopper that I found online. I think I found it at Wish, and it's a fairly inexpensive one. Well, I replaced my chopper with the slap chopper and talked to the guy when I went to place the order, and he was so nice, and I got it, and I absolutely love it. If you've seen my other videos, you know I brag about it. It's a great tool, and I don't get paid to tell you that. This is my hobby. So I found this, and I thought I would order one of these, and let's just see how does a very inexpensive one compare to the slap chopper. First of all, I noticed there's a difference on the bottom. This has a little plastic cap. It was the first time removing it. It was a little tight, probably loosens up in time. Little plastic cap on the bottom, where this one here has a larger cap on it. Now, one thing I can tell you is that, like when I do Asian food, I like to chop up the peanuts for the meal. So I would just take some peanuts, and let's just put a few in the bottom there, and let's try to put in an equal amount. Wow, this is a little tough to get off the first time. Okay, and I just took it apart. I have to give it a spin so it stays together. That's kind of nice. That latched okay. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this. Let's try to be fair about it and cut up equal amounts here. That looks pretty fair. Okay, now let's try the choppers. So first, let's try the new inexpensive chopper. I'm sure I didn't pay much for this. If it was on, I think I got it from Wish. I don't remember. I kind of order stuff in advance. Well, I can tell you it's doing a real good job of chopping. Okay, I have no complaints about its chopping. So, let's see if I can get this off. So here we go, I'll put those out so we can see what they look like. And a few of them are stuck in here. So that's a consideration. I'm not sure why a few of them got stuck in there. I never noticed that before. Now, let's try the slap chopper. And you can do this right on top of here, but I live in a condo and I have neighbors, so I want to try to be considerate, not be up here pounding on things. And I even talked to him about this because I had recommended it in the videos, and he contacted me to thank me. And he said if any of you order this slap chopper and you use the promo code James, he'll give you a discount. I don't know what it is. I don't get paid for telling you that. But I can tell you that there doesn't appear to be a lot of difference between the two, and I didn't really do a real scientific do them both at the same time kind of thing. I just kind of did it a little bit just to show you folks. I think they look basically the same. The slap chopper, the chunks look a little larger, and I don't know if I would have cut them more. Maybe I did that other chopper longer, or maybe it's because I held it at an angle. Yeah, now they're reduced down to dust. So I'm sure there's probably a scientific way to do it, but you also have to think about the cleaning. Now, I'm not real fond about taking these things apart. I like just to kind of rinse them, and I don't really use them for anything that's going to be dangerous, like an egg or something. You know, I'm chopping peanuts. You know, I think a rinse of water or a squirt with my dish soap bleach and rinse is probably good enough. But to take this one apart, you basically turn this like that, and then this comes open. I can't remember, it's been a while. There, it comes apart like that, and then this comes open to clean it. So that's pretty easy. I was pretty impressed. I remember the first time I got it. You spin this to latch, appears to latch in place, and then this goes on. I know with the ridges down, because I've used this. I've been using this for a little while, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I believe that goes like that, and then this goes on here, like this, and there we go. So, this one here, to clean this one, looks like you spin this and it comes apart. This comes off. We'll need to because we have those peanuts trapped in there, but they came right out. And then to wash it, it looks like you just push it out and wash and rinse. So I'm pretty impressed with it. I really like my slap chopper, so I'm really not not thinking about changing to anything else. But I think I can say this one works pretty good. I guess we'll have to see how long it holds up. You know, if I'm using it regularly, we'll have to see how long. I'm going to say my slap chopper works better. I'm still happy with my slap chopper. That's my show for the day and my review. Make your own decision based on what you just saw. Give your stuff a try. Have a great day. Goodbye for now. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.